It's like a cane for you.
The aliens are about to come visit.
What?
They got a bunch of this here in Texas. There's "In God We Trust," and then it'll say something else. And I've seen a lot of them. It says "In God We Trust," others shoot. They're big on the gun things here in Texas now, man. There's all those bumper stickers that come and take it, you know, with the guns and all this and that. Her sister, Lauren and Brad, their license plates have a cannon on it, and it says that at the top, "Come and take it."
Oh. The cookie was good.
This is the M&M one?
Looks like he's going to be a golfer. He's teasing you. I think he's going to try. I'm like, how do you make it do that?
You could call for hockey one day.
No. Sling. That meat stick hit you, Mom.
I hit myself.
They just told him at the after they're done with the rim pack or whatever that they're gonna probably kick him out of the Navy for that fight he got into, because that's like his 14th strike or whatever.
Oh.
Oh, it's hard.
You know, we're in a hotel. He could jump on the beds. Oh, so funny.
So funny, a kid around the corner like that.
Like he's charging.
Oh, those prosthetics. What is that?
What's he got on his leg?
I'm guessing these are all injured veterans
Oh.
with prosthetics and stuff.
And see, that's something else. They're trying to make this like history appropriate or whatever. So what they did was they had like a couple of the guys that were in the Navy whenever Pearl Harbor was attacked or something like that, and they have them in the movie. It's like a dozen of them. And like this black guy and a bunch of these injured soldiers, they're actually real people, soldiers or whatever. They just put in the movie.
Oh.
And so they have no acting skills whatsoever.
Where's he at? Oh. Bennett, what you doing? What's he into? He's after my slippers. Hey, Benedict. I got the stick.
I think he might want his own back scratcher.
I think he needs one.
Scratch your neck.
He always looks like he's about to
I know.
whap.
Or throw it. That's what I'm afraid of.
Down there, I'm gonna tickle your neck.
He's using it like one of those little push toys.
That guy's from the New Adventures of Old Christine. You ever seen this?
Oh, yeah.
Pretty good
Not
little
too
show.
hard.
Is that her brother?
Yeah.
It's like I'm waiting for it to happen. Just whack.
America's face.
Now it's on
No.
Mine. Oh.
Don't hit Mama.
Who knew? All we need is a box now. A box and a stick. That's all we need. What just blew up? Get down with Daddy. Oh, that doesn't look good.
that doesn't make sense either. You saw how hard those things hit the water,
Yeah.
right? And they didn't destroy it. But yet, while they were coming in from space, one hit a satellite and it started to break apart and blow up. And that's what that is. It went off course. So it hit a little satellite, man-made satellite, and it ruined it. And it can smash into the ocean at 1,000 miles an hour.
It's always New York or Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Uncle Craig was right.
Yep. And Godzilla's got to be somewhere close behind. Oh no.
Likes to take the top off of things.
Because he's trying to open it.
It's funny when he uses his mouth.
Yay! Throw it on the ground.
Haven't quite figured that out yet.
He'll get there.
Oh, I'm sure. A little more strength in their grip. Come right open. You know it.
Look, Mom, I'm cute. Open this.
Yeah.
And see, this is all the convenience of movie magic. Like, they all happen to already be out on the news when they land in the ocean.
Just
and,
coincidental.
Yeah, they happen to be within 100 miles. Oh, you open it? See, she gives in. I would have one bag of carrots. If it wasn't for Mary, he would probably either starve or eat whatever I told him.
Oh.
Because I would have one bag of carrots all day, and he'd either eat them or wouldn't, and that's it. And by 8 o'clock that night, he would eat those carrots.
Probably. Oh my God, Mom.
Come around. Come here. I like running around while I eat. It's fun. Oh,
Pizza. Yeah. Here, buddy's in here. Hi there. Pizza. How much? That's the salad. I guess I better stop this.